Hey everyone, it's Gan from Pepi's Techsuit, and today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. Alright, so the Galaxy Buds Pro were just announced yesterday. I did purchase them for myself. I didn't get these sent to me, so today's just going to be an unboxing. I won't put up a review or have too many first impressions just because it's my first time with these. I haven't had these for like the past 2 weeks or whatever. So yeah, let's just check around the box to start off with. And I actually did film an unboxing for the Galaxy Buds Plus a few months ago, but those ones were faulty, so I sent them back the same day. And I never ended up uploading that unboxing. Because I realized that the Buds Pro were coming out soon, so I said, okay, I'll just wait for the Pros. But yeah, so we have the Galaxy Buds Pro here in this black box. You can tell they had the shiny little reflections here. Galaxy written in black. Nothing along these sides. Just serial information here. And on the back, we can see the main features here. Obviously, sound by AKG, which last however many Samsung earbuds have been. Two-way speakers for rich sound. That was one of my biggest drawbacks with the original Galaxy Buds here that I've been using for the past 1.5 years. So you can see these things are quite beaten up, but they sound just fine. Case especially has gotten quite worn out, but I originally did plan on upgrading to the Plus. Like I said, I filmed that unboxing, but the sound wasn't that big of a difference going from the original Galaxy Buds to the Plus. Apparently the Live sounded quite a bit better, the Galaxy Beans as some people called them, but those types of earbuds just don't fit in my ear, so I didn't want to take the risk of buying $200 headphones or earbuds and them not even fitting in my ear. So I love the original design for Galaxy Buds. They fit perfectly, and these new designs here for the Galaxy Buds Pro kind of look like a mix between the original Galaxy Buds and the Live. So that's going to be interesting to see. All right, and moving on, we can see the battery life is between 5 to 18 hours. And that obviously depends on what you're using it for. Like, are you using the active noise cancellation? And that will have a big hit on the battery, as you can probably tell. And yeah, the case and the earbuds, especially in the original here, they lasted forever. So I was really happy with the battery life on these. So if I can match that with this or even beat it, I'll be really happy. And last but certainly not least, IPX7 water resistance, which is huge for earbuds, obviously, when people want to use them to work out and wear them outside when it could be raining or snowing. Alright, so now that we have a look at the box, we can finally unbox these guys. So you have two pieces of tape at the top and the bottom here. Okay. Alright, so the first thing you see as soon as you open it is the little accessories box here, and of course, main attraction, the actual buds in their case. Nothing else in the box. Okay. Oh, there's a quick start guide here. And on the back it shows you how you put them in your ear. Quick start guide, we'll be getting into that. Okay, cool. Let's get this out of the way. So it comes in this little sleeve. Get rid of that. And the first thing I noticed is that this box is quite a bit different shape than the original. So the Galaxy Buds Plus and the original Galaxy Buds came in this kind of like oval shaped one. It's kind of pill shaped case. And this case, it was actually like a shiny version with the Plus. And the new case for the Pro actually looks kind of similar to the Beans again. And in terms of size, you can just see how much smaller this is. So this could end up being quite a bit more pocketable. And you can see wireless charging, USB-C on the back. Right? You can see the size comparison there. These ones, obviously, I didn't have that big of a problem putting them in my pocket, so I'm not going to be concerned about these. the new Buds Pro at all. And I do appreciate the matte case, the matte finish. Obviously, with a shinier case, you can imagine how this one would have been destroyed if it was even shinier than this. So I'm happy they went back to the matte style here. Let's check out the accessories before looking at the buds. First thing you see is the USB-C cable, and I believe there's 3 sets of ear tips here you could change into to get the best fit for your ears. And obviously that's going to be important for the best possible noise cancellation, best comfort, etc. So we'll move this out of the way, and finally the main event. You can see here, Samsung Sound by AKG. Flip these open, and there you have the buds. So I'm just going to bring this guy here too on the side. I remember the Buds Plus had a really nice closing feel to the case. So that's the original one. Yeah, this one's a lot better than this one still. You can see the indicator light, so this one needs to be charged, and this one also needs to be charged right now. Right? I think it's trying to pair with my phone right now, but yeah, another big thing about the Buds Pro is obviously that 360 audio, right? And because of that, with the motion tracking and all that, you need the One UI. I believe it's 3.1 or 3.2 and above. So definitely the latest Samsung phones. I have an S10 Plus. I guess we'll see how that one is in my first impressions video that I'll have out soon. And yeah, here's what the buds look like. I think that magnet's a lot stronger than the original. Yeah, I think the magnet's stronger than these guys. Yeah, for sure. It's not like these ones are ever bad, but these ones definitely feel better. And the design is actually quite a bit different. And also similar, I guess, but you can tell that it is a little bit different compared to the original Galaxy Buds. I guess it is kind of like a mix between the Buds and the Buds Plus were essentially a very similar design. I think there's only like a really minor difference of another microphone, and the Live were completely different on the other side with the bean shape. So this one here is kind of a mix of the two, and I think they've designed it so that it's like minimum contact with your ear. So I'll just try these on to see how they fit. And yeah, these definitely have a really nice fit, especially compared to the originals. The originals always fit me well. Like, I didn't think many people had an issue with these. But obviously, if you're not into the ear tip style of earbuds, then I guess these aren't for you. But if you have an Android, especially a Samsung, and you like that type of earbuds, I don't think you'll go wrong with these. Obviously, I haven't tested out the sound, noise cancellation, etc. I'll definitely look into that and spend a couple weeks with them before formulating a final opinion, and then I'll have a review out, hopefully. Obviously, depending on my schedule with my classes, but I'm impressed with the quality of the case and the earbuds right now. So that's just been a quick unboxing. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time.